Well, this is antique Coalport porcelain china from the 1880s. A beautiful 12.25 inch, 9.5 inch wide serving plate or platter, made by Coalport around 1880 to 1890. Rib moulding, as you can see here. Just look at this fine detail going out to this lovely transfer printed border. Combination of, we think, Japanese cranes or swans eating wheat, and then these little floral motifs just breaking up the transfer blocks. Fantastic. And then the ribbing, much finer on the outer rims, almost flute-like, with some curve built into it. Let me show you the side elevation where it comes up, and then you've got this beautiful deep scalloping which rolls in the fingers. The texture of this is just fantastic, and the glaze condition, just look at the reflection I'm getting there. Almost mint condition cabinet collector's piece this. There's the Coalport mark. Let me bring that into focus for you. Pre-1891, when they introduced the England on all their marks. Nice green Coalport crown there. It's a fantastic thing in beautiful antique condition. Can't find a pattern reference or match online, which means it's relatively rare. No pieces being listed recently in this design that we can find, either with a pattern reference number, specific date stamps, or a name. So I think it's probably going to remain that way. Unnamed Coalport antique serving platter, 12.25 inches by 9.5, dating from around 1880, available for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. If you'd follow the link below, all the measurements, details and information you'll need to decide if this should enter your collection is available on the website. Thanks for watching.